Hello, in today's video we'll be talking about the family Moranidae. Moray eels or Moranidae are a family of eels whose members are found worldwide. There are approximately 200 species and 15 genera, which are almost exclusively marine, but several species are regularly seen in brackish and sometimes fresh water. Anatomy. The moray eel's dorsal fin extends from just behind the head along the back and joins seamlessly with the caudal and anal fins. Most species of moray eels lack pectoral and pelvic fins. Instead of eyesight, they mostly rely on their highly developed sense of smell. This is due to them having two pairs of nostrils, their posterior and anterior nostrils. Most moray eels possess large teeth used to tear flesh or grasp slippery prey. In a relatively small number of species, for example the snowflake eel Echidna nebulosa and zebra moray, Gymnomorana zebra, primarily feed on crustaceans, thus having more blunt teeth to break open the exoskeletons of the crustacean. Moray eels secrete a protective mucus over their scaleless skin, which in some species contains a toxin. They have a much thicker skin and high densities of goblet cells, and in the epidermis that allows mucus to be produced at a higher rate than any other eel species. Other than protection, this can also allow for sand granules to adhere to the sides of their burrows in sand-dwelling morays, thus making the walls of the burrow much more permanent due to the glycosylation of the mucins in the mucus. Morays also have small circular gills located on the flanks to the far posterior to the mouth, require the moray to maintain a gap to facilitate respiration. The process of how morays breathe is by opening and closing their mouths. The pharyngeal jaws of morays are located further back in the head and closely resemble the oral jaws. When feeding, morays launch these jaws into the mouth cavity where they grasp prey and transport it to the throat. In one species of moray the California moray Gymnothorax mordax, teeth in the roof of the mouth are able to fold down as prey slides backwards, thus preventing the teeth from breaking and maintaining a hold of the prey as it's transported through the throat. Some of moray's primary prey items are smaller fish, crabs, and octopi. Sometimes they can be spotted eating red lionfish. Groupers, barracudas, and sea snakes are all examples of predators that feed on moray eels. Moray eels are often found within the realms of shallow water, nearshore areas, continental slopes, continental shelves, deep benthic habitats, and mesopelagic zones of the ocean, and in both tropical and temperate environments. Usually, eels would make their habitat within rock faces or inside sand burrows. Make sure to like and subscribe. It will really help a lot. So, for now, see ya!